Hello friends, welcome back to YouTube channel Legends of Educational Knowledge. I am Mahesh Notyal. Today we will discuss the future indefinite tense. So let's start. Identification of this tense. The sentences of this tense are end up with ga, ge, gi, etc. Helping verb. With I and we use shall, and with another subject we use will. Main verb. We use first form as a helping verb in the sentences of this tense. Now rules for formation of the sentences. In simple sentences, first we use subject, then shall or will, then main verb and object. In negative sentences, first subject, then shall not or will not, then main verb and object. In interrogative sentences, shall or will plus subject plus main verb plus object question mark. In double interrogative sentences, first we use interrogative word, then shall or will, then subject, then main verb and object question mark. Some examples of this tense. First example, पिताजी कल दिल्ली जाएंगे. Simple. Father will go to Delhi tomorrow. Negative. Father will not go to Delhi tomorrow. Interrogative. Will father go to Delhi tomorrow? Question mark. Double interrogative. Why will father go to Delhi tomorrow? Question mark. Second example, हम पर्दा देखने जाएंगे. Simple. We shall go to exhibition. Negative. We shall not go to exhibition. Interrogative. Shall we go to exhibition? Question mark. Double interrogative. When shall we go to exhibition? Question mark. Third example. मैं अपने माता पिता की आज्ञा मानूंगा. Simple. I shall obey my parents. Negative. I shall not obey my parents. Interrogative. Shall I obey my parents? Question mark. Double interrogative. How shall I obey my parents? Question mark. Fourth example. खिलाड़ी आज शाम को मैदान में एकत्रित होंगे. Simple. The players will assemble in the field today evening. Negative. The players will not assemble in the field today evening. Interrogative. Will the players assemble in the field today evening? Question mark. Double interrogative. Why will the players assemble in the field today evening? Question mark. Fifth example. आज वर्षा होगी. Simple. It will rain today. Negative. It will not rain today. Interrogative. Will it rain today? Question mark. Double interrogative. When will it rain today? Question mark. So it's enough for today. We will meet in the next video soon. Stay healthy, wealthy and wise. If you want more details, contact us on mobile number 9927206065 or 9927310911 of the Permutation Coaching Institute. Thanks for watching.